On the moonlit skies we go, drum and bass are on the bone. Heartbeat sync with nature's flow, drums and bass are only home. Through the motions let us play, ancient voices lead the way. For the rhythm strong and tall, unity we stand through all. Harmony in every tone, this is where we find our zone. So let the drums and mace entwine in this sacred dance divine. We're the keepers of the flame, forever one in heart and name. Beneath our feet, sacred ground, our heartbeat seat. Energy flows, we take our stand, unified across the land. As the fires blaze and spark, guided through the endless dark. For the rhythm strong and tall, unity we stand through all. Chant set the pace, through the rhythm we embrace. Frozen tundra, open space, sacred dance we interlace. Whispers carried on the breeze, ancient wisdom in the trees. Slurp sings ancient call, drum and bass we break the wall. For the rhythm strong and tall, unity we stand through all. For the rhythm strong and tall, unity we stand through all. For the rhythm strong and tall, unity we stand through all.